I fell in love with style probably my junior year of high school. I thought it would be something that would differentiate me from my other peers because everybody else would dress super casual. They didn't put any effort into the way they looked, and so I thought it would be more important if I started dressing up a little bit nicer. As my wardrobe started expanding, I needed more clothing that fitted well because fit is really the most important part of your style in general. I had to do something. I had to either buy clothes that fit or I had to find a tailor, someone who could tailor the stuff that I got. Fast forward a few years and I needed to buy some suits because I was on the speech team and we had to dress up, we had to wear suits. And so I went to K&G Fashion with my grandmother. She said I could get 2 suits for $150. That was the deal. And so I got those 2 suits, and those suits, they were $150, so $75 per suit, a plaid gray suit and then just a normal light gray suit. And so with both of those suits, I had them tailor them in the store because K&G, they also offer in-store tailoring. And it was $300 to get the suits tailored. So literally she spent more on the tailoring of the suits than the actual suits themselves. And so I was like, there's something wrong with this. This might be kind of fishy, and maybe I got ripped off. So a couple of months went by, and after I got ripped off, and I had another jacket that I was given to me by a close friend and mentor that didn't fit him anymore, but it fit me perfectly. And so it just needed one thing. It needed the size to be a lot more slimmer. My grandmother was like, oh, I could take them in for you. And so I was like, okay, so do it. And so she took them in, and I was kind of like hesitant. I didn't know how the quality would be. And it actually turned out really good. Once the jacket was done, it fit amazing, and she would continue to tailor my clothing for the next probably 2 years after that because it was a lot more cost effective to have her do it than to pay somebody else to do it. She became my tailor for a temporary amount of time. And as time went on, I wanted to kind of learn how to do it myself because one, she did it by hand and it took her a long time to get stuff done, like a week to take in a shirt. And so I was like, I can do this probably in 15 minutes if I had a sewing machine. I went to the store, bought a sewing machine. I asked her to get me started on where I should sew on the shirts, and that's what she did. And so it started with shirts, then it went to suit jackets, then it went to pants, hemming pants, slimming the sleeves of jackets and stuff. Now I have a pretty well knowledge of how to tailor and alter your own clothing. Over the last probably 6 months, I've just been learning more things, learning how to do things differently than what I was originally taught. And I've just improved, and it's become something that I love doing. Buying something that doesn't fit, that just needs a few alterations, and then you can have a perfect fitting garment. All I did really was take what she taught me, expanded upon it, and went on YouTube, found videos, watched that kind of stuff, and that gave me the basis for what I'm able to do now. So I say all of this just to say, if you want to do something, take the time out to learn how to do it. You're going to save yourself money. You can save yourself time. So if you're trying to learn something, if you want to learn how to make videos or you want to learn how to tailor your clothes, anything like that, it's doable. You can do it. You just got to put forth the effort, take the time, have the discipline, spend time on learning this stuff, practice.
We talking about practice.
So guys, that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I just wanted to give an overview of my experience learning how to alter my own clothing. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also subscribe and share. And with that being said, I'm Robert. This is GentStyle, and I'll see you in the next video.